Peace team. So in this mini series, I am going to be responding to our user Ramon's question about how to generate more leads for a health and wellness retail shop. All right. So make sure you guys stay tuned, where we're gonna go over this full strategy. Okay, so I received a question. It says, "Hi Mike, I have a health and wellness retail shop. We sell high quality vitamins and hemp products to partners. We are in medical field, family nurse practitioner and RN. We need to do some marketing. Since recently 3 other shops opened, more like smoke shops. How can we reach more customers and keep them coming? Our vitamins can only be sold by so they can only be sold by someone with a medical license, essentially. All right, so I'm about to cover some content right now that is going to address Ramon's question. You guys will see a snippet on my TikTok. If you guys want to see the full length video, be sure you click the link in my bio to the YouTube. Our YouTube channel will have something called Health and Wellness Retail Shop, free lead generation strategy. So you guys will see that on the YouTube, where you guys can get the full series of this. And then if you guys would like to work together to help implement this strategy, there will be a link to where you guys can book a free demo. If you guys want me to post free content for you, to post a free marketing strategy for your industry or for your brand, all you got to do is to comment below, or you can send me a DM, ask me your question. You can also go online. I'll be screenshotting right now how you can go to our website and then just directly ask me for a marketing strategy. All right. So on my TikTok, on my social media, the only thing we'll be doing is posting free marketing strategy about how to generate more leads for your brand and for your industry. All right. Make sure you guys are following Money Mike 404. We will be posting content to address Ramon's question in our next post. All right, that's going to be posted within the next 24 hours, so make sure you guys are looking out for it.